So, does this mean that we've give up, mate?
Pretty much.
The removal of the carburetors. We surrender. Well, mate, we're not going to be going on too much about this Escort in today's video, are we?
No, not too much.
We've done enough on this the last week or so. But to all those people in the last video that commented, a few negative comments. Is negative the right word?
Well, don't know if it was negative or just a bit sort of dissing us.
Dissing us. Saying basically, I thought you were meant to be engine builders, how come you can't get an engine running? Well, mainly because we build engines, we're not mechanics, and we're certainly not carburettor specialists.
No, and we're not tuning wizards or anything. It's but we've gone through the basic list of what you need to check. Obviously, compression, spark, fuel, etc.
Yeah, so we've got all that. We've got the spark, we've got compression, we've got fuel in the carburettors, we've got fuel coming through the pressure regulator into the pipes. So really, in theory, everything should be okay. Only other thing is the battery's not that charged up.
No.
And what seems to be happening is when we turn it over, it's trying to fire, and just as it's about to fire, the starter motor jumps out, doesn't it?
Kicks off.
So what the reason for that is, I don't know.
You did say you thought maybe it's because we've lightened everything so much, any sort of kickback is going to be able to stop the crank turning quicker, so it could quite easily probably shut that starter off.
Could be that reason, mate.
Yeah.
If there's any cross-flow specialists or engines that run on carbs that have been lightened, people out there with that, and they think that could be a reason, please do let us know.
So we suspect that it's something isn't set up properly with the carbs.
Maybe.
We don't really know much about carbs.
The engine's drastically different to what it was before now. The compression's a lot higher. It's got a Larry cam in it. So it could be something to do with that. And the crank's a lot lighter with that flywheel.
And that's really, to us, it's the only proper unknown, isn't it? Whereas yesterday we've had the timing light on it and adjusted the distributor and everything. So, you know, other than setting the carbs up, we're all right.
Exactly. Come to the conclusion that it's probably not going to run, even if it does start, it's not going to run brilliant on these.
Probably not.
So I'm just going to take them off because they are going with the engine that we've sold. And we should wait for the throttle bodies, which should be here all next week, mate. So it's a little setback of a week or two. But once we get those on, we shall certainly be videoing it, get moving
with it.
Start up. And Stephen, that is going to be setting this up at Tipton Garage, he did say that I can go over and sort of have a look, and he's going to run me through the Emerald ECU.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll be able to have a little tinker, mate. He said it's very easy to use, very user-friendly. But seeing as I weren't going to be going on about this, mate, in today's video...
We've already done 5 minutes. So
I think we'll end it there, innit? Another Christmas day today, mate, but a lot of deliveries.
Yeah.
God, I can actually see you better in these. What do I look like? Penfold?
Well, all right, mate.
So, mate, we've had a delivery from Burton and Mar Motorsport today. We have Marla pistons there for a Cosworth. This is this one here, which I shall turn the job card around so you can't see any names
or addresses.
We've got some Bridgeway Comrods, standard length, and this is for this Cosy, which I've got to do the short motor build on this now. I have almost finished honing the liners that I put in. I faced the block, so then it's just to clean up, paint it black, and get it over here, mate. He's coming in Monday with the extra bits. Video that next week, building that up. He wants the motor done for like 600 horsepower, but he's going to run about 450. So basically what we normally do to them.
Just kind of bulletproof them.
Exactly. Right, this crossflow here. Clean that up today and give it a lick of the old Pinto Blue, which probably looks blue on camera, I'm not sure, but in real life, I think it's a lovely blue. Almost got a purpley tint.
It does have a purpley tint.
Isn't it? So this one, look, if you look at them bores, how perfect are they?
They are lovely.
But they should be, because all I've done is run the hone down there just to basically take half a thou out of them. Yeah, and give it a good clean, that's all ready to go. Got a delivery of a few bits. We've got PEC rods here.
Lovely.
Quite a nice rod, aren't they, then?
Yeah.
We have pistons, which he bought 200 mile ago. So these pistons are absolutely perfect.
Oh, right, yeah.
To be honest, not even really
So
bedded
this is the one that it was all built.
Yeah.
Did he build it himself?
He
had
built
some
it himself.
done.
Then he discovered it had got a little bit of
Yeah,
excessive
he didn't
end
like
float.
the end float, so he brought it in.
Yeah. So, and he'd watched our video of what we did on the one for the yellow car.
Yeah.
And he said, basically, just go do what you've done
do
on
that,
that.
yeah.
So that's what we're doing. So we're using the piston. These are a 1300 piston, which he supplied. As I say, ain't even worth replacing the rings, to be honest with you.
No,
because
it's a similar cost, isn't it?
it's a similar cost to buying new pistons for a set of rings, weirdly. We are using what we've got. All I've done, mate, is I've modified the piston there by putting the
Big pockets.
pockets in 2 millimetres lower. So we now
Nice.
have a 5 millimetre pocket from the top of the piston.
So is he having the headwork done as well, or?
Yeah, he's got a friend that does cylinder heads, but didn't really want to get involved in this side of the bottom end. So the head's all good. He's had it all ported and stuff like that.
I think I've just been filming your chest for about 10 seconds.
Oh, really?
Just here.
Nice. So no, he just wanted us to do the bottom end. So you've balanced and polished the crank assembly.
Yeah.
We lightened the flywheel, we haven't we?
Yes.
He supplied a
Right.
few bits, mate. The old duplex chain
Conversion,
kit, but with
nice.
the adjustable cam pulley. Very nice.
Lovely.
Looks smart, doesn't it, under the cover?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
It looks nice until you put the cover on. We've got the go-ahead on this Cosworth that come in the other day. So this is the one that he picked up from the place that it was before, minus a few bits.
Right.
2 very important parts, or I suppose you could say 5 very important parts. The crankshaft and rods were missing.
Brilliant.
And I said, well, if you are going for the power that you would like to go for, probably best off not sourcing a second-hand crank and rods. Let's just go for a new one.
Nice new steel one.
Yeah. So we have got the Bridgeway rods, which we love.
Yep.
Great value for money, and a crankshaft.
A Mar Motorsport crank.
Yeah. And you are looking under 2,000 quid for the lot there.
That's good, that.
That's bloody good value,
Yeah.
isn't it? When you think of an Arrow one, it's about 3.5 grand for a crank.
Yeah.
It starts to get fairly serious dough, doesn't it?
It is.
So I've sent him an estimate, mate, of everything, and he's given us the go-ahead. He's already purchased double valve springs and stuff like that. The head's already been ported, but we have got to sort that out. And I've already chomped it out for the liners. 2 liner jobs done this week in the Cosies. That's pretty good for the first week back from Christmas. In the next video, I think, which we'll probably do tomorrow, mate, and I shall put out at the weekend, I shall show how I set up those pistons for the cutouts on the crossflow. You have another, do they call it string to your bow? Or am I talking absolute crap there?
I'd say maybe, probably not quite a string, probably more like a thread.
A thread?
Yeah.
So you have made a purchase, personally,
Yes.
that you wanted to get into.
Yeah. Just Christmas present to myself, really.
Yeah, didn't open till yesterday.
Yeah, it only turned
But
up
thanks
yesterday.
to ChatGPT, you are now an expert at.
No,
Is that
not
right?
an expert.
Let's have a little look, mate, at your new expertise.
I've bought myself a welder.
Wow.
It does MIG, TIG, gasless MIG.
Does
don't
it
know
really?
what- Yeah, it does all the things. Apparently, it's like a slightly different type of TIG, but I ain't getting into that yet anyway.
No.
So,
Just go for the MIG. How are you getting on with it?
well, I've been doing the gasless MIG, like the flux core wire stuff, and I've
Yeah.
just been having a little go. This is like just a piece of angle iron that was already tacked together. I don't know who did that, but
minute,
I just filled in these bits here.
Very nice.
And I had to go welding a random bolt on, which didn't go too well.
I'm impressed.
And I've had a little go, like just doing some beads. Like I don't know if it's any good or not, but I'm having a go really.
Mate, it don't look bad to me.
It's not
I'm not a
awful.
welder,
Obviously,
but
that all needs cleaning off, but you get quite a bit of spatter from a flux core.
I expect if Tom is watching this,
Tom
he
will
may
be
say
laughing.
different. But that to me definitely doesn't look like eagle crap from 1,000 feet.
It's not
That's
awful.
More like,
I'm quite happy with
more
that.
like
But
50 feet.
Bearing in mind, that is literally my second go with that.
Really?
Yeah. I had a little go last night on another bit that I got somewhere, and then I just filled in, like, you can see there what it was like. It was
Yeah.
like that, and I just filled it in. And
That's really good,
Had a
mate.
little go.
So we're going to be welding everything in sight from now on.
well, I thought it might be handy if, like, we got broken studs and we want to weld a nut on or
Yeah.
anything like that. And I've
Good
always
for you,
wanted
mate.
to do it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well,
It's
it is
just,
handy, isn't it?
Yeah. I just think it's cool. You can make stuff.
It is, yeah. Are these cheap enough?
That was 180 quid.
That's mental,
It's
isn't
not
it?
too bad.
That is a cheap blooming item, that.
It's Tigran.
TMU?
No, that actually came from Halfords.
Seriously?
But it's obviously made by someone else, but...
Amazing,
yeah.
isn't it? Yeah,
And
fair play, mate. And for your
I went for
second
this
attempt.
one because it's got all proper adjustable amps and that.
Okay.
Whereas some of them are like just a switch, like either minimum or maximum. So
right, yeah.
I wanted one that's a bit...
And have you tried that? Does that make a difference?
Yeah, I've messed about. I've just been messing about in general, like different wire speeds and amps and just trying stuff, really.
Good for you, mate.
Yeah,
Another
I'm
string
enjoying
to
it. It's
your
fun.
bow. Another thread to the bow.
Yeah,
Well
thread.
done.
It is a thread at the minute.
Yeah, no, that's good. Well, mate, call it a day there, shall we?
I
Bit
think
late
so.
in the day till another video. Oh, that one's done.
The one that had the dodgy
Perkins, the one that had the dodgy balance shaft due to it going uphill, been on a severe incline. Bit of a design fault there, mate.
Yeah.
But we have repaired that, and hopefully that will not be doing that in the future.
Hopefully not.
No. There we go. Till another video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.